Alright, I'm giving my review. I've had this for over 6 months and I still love it, you guys. I turn it on every single day when I come into the office, and I like that the ball is a heavy ball. This is just plastic. It does come with little rocks, so you can rearrange them however you want to. Now, in some of the reviews, I noticed that people said that it spilled over. It will not spill over, and never had that issue if you don't have too much water in it. So you're going to want to be cautious of how much water you put in. And same with this. This is not going to spin if you do not have enough water. So just pay attention to how much water. You kind of master it after a few times and know how much you need. But yeah, all in all, you guys, I say it's absolutely fabulous if you want running water with a little bit of spinny, blingy light thingy. All right, bye.
Big plastic that came cracked and already leaking. You can see day one. Was running it, super cool. Puddle.